Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to change profile picture on Royal Match. If you want to change the profile picture on your Royal Match account, then here is how you can do it. Simply go ahead and launch Open Royal Match application and make sure that you're inside this main home page. After you are in this page, tap on your profile icon at the top left hand corner. Now this will open up your profile. Tap on your profile picture and then you'll be able to see the avatars you can change to as your profile picture. You can select from various options of avatar, frame and theme. If you want to go ahead and change to your own profile picture, then all you need to do is to tap on this Facebook Connect button and continue to sign in with Facebook by tapping the continue button. Open our Facebook application by tapping open, and this will then take you to this page where you'll be logged into your Royal Match account. Tap on continue in order to connect to Facebook with Royal Match. Once you're signed in with your Facebook account, tap continue. And as you can see that the Royal Match game has now taken the information from my Facebook account, which will also update my current profile picture on Facebook. To save the change, tap save, and that is how you should be able to change your profile picture on Royal Match. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.